Waste is filling up our planet. Plastic is choking it. Veka Recycling are European leaders in PVC-U recycling. We've been doing it since 1993, and now we've built one of the world's most advanced and trusted recycling plants in Europe. A central hub that has the capacity to recycle over 2 million window units. We need you to join us on our journey to a future with zero plastic waste, where everything that can be reused and recycled is. A future where PVC-U windows stop being used once, then dumped, but get recycled into material that can be used again and again. Up to 10 times, in fact. Change is possible, but only by working together to transform how we think and what we do. Disposal is easier, costs reduce, consumption shrinks. It's a change for good. For window manufacturers and installers, their customers, and for everyone else as well. Here's how. Working with partners throughout the UK, old windows are collected and returned to our recycling plant in Wellingborough. Every year, we divert over 90,000 tonnes of windows from landfill and reduce the need for over 40,000 tonnes of newly manufactured PVC-U. Our simple four-step process separates the materials and processes the PVC-U into consistently high-quality pellets that are as good as virgin plastic. We're building a sustainable material flow, from house to recycler, from recycler to manufacturer. Discover more at Veka and join our journey for a future free from plastic waste.